Hello, future Excel masters. Welcome to MS Excel Panther course, a comprehensive guide on mastering MS Excel application. This course is a gateway for transforming your career. In this MS Excel Panther course, we cover tools, functions and formulas from basics to advanced and will take you to professional level. We also included a separate sessions for ChatGPT and AI tools, how you can use ChatGPT and AI tools in MS Excel application to save the time without remembering a formulas in Excel, how to use them in Excel. And we will be hand holding you for the practicals. For every video lecture, we will be providing keynotes along with the practice files where you can do the practicals as well. Imagine having skills to create powerful dashboard, automate reports and analyze data like a pro. With these skills, you will be ready for high paying jobs and impress your boss and stand out in any interview. Why struggle with manual work when you can automate and save time? Excel is not just a tool, it's the key to unlocking opportunities. And if you don't take this step now, you might miss out on a game-changing advantage. Join MS Excel Panther course and become go-to expert in your company. With every lesson, you will move closer to be recognized and valued in your field. Go through with the curriculum and just check the sections and lectures that are covered inside this course. And I'll be coming online every day to answer your questions that are posted in question and answer sections. So why wait? Enroll now. Let's conquer Excel together. Your future self will thank you. See you inside the course.